Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your WhatsApp application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your WhatsApp application, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, click the profile name. And okay guys, you can see there are no profile pictures. Okay guys, to add a profile picture, click the camera icon. And okay guys, you can add a photo by capturing by camera or go to gallery. And after you select the gallery, the pop-up will show and okay, allow WhatsApp access to your device, photos, media, and file. And okay, you have to do is click continue. And allow WhatsApp to access photo, media, and files on your device. Okay, click allow. Okay guys, now you can select a picture to make a profile picture in your WhatsApp account. So okay guys, after you select a picture, so you can crop by sliding the cropping square. So okay guys, if you have done to crop your profile picture, so okay, you have to do is click done. And okay guys, profile photo updated. So okay guys, your profile picture in your WhatsApp are uploaded to your account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.